Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can watch movies on Plex. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Plex app on your phone and make sure you're signed in as well. And then now go ahead and tap on the search icon on top to search up the movie that you want to watch. Go ahead, type in the name and tap on the movie. Once you have done that, you will find this option of add to a watch list. You can see available on 8 other services. So this movie is not available yet to be watched. You might have to rent it or buy it, which will cost some money. If it once it's available over there, you can go to your watch list section and can start watching it. So for now, you can just add it to watch list. So it can apply to any other movies as well. Plenty of movies might not have this option. So go ahead, go back and search another movie. Now you can see display on this movie over here. Tap on display and you shall be able to play this movie over there on Plex. But if you cannot, that means that movie is simply not available, and it's not your fault. It's just Plex doesn't have it yet. So wait till it to be available. So add the movie to your watch list and can watch it once it's available, and you can enjoy it however you would like. And that is basically it. This is how you can play any movie on Plex. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.